am so excited. Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all my Walmart beauty box that just arrived. OMG, I'm too excited about this one in particular. If you're a newbie passing through, you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank or a fabulous look. So in this community, that's exactly what you're gonna get. So I highly encourage that you turn on your bell notification and you hit that subscribe button. That way you will never miss an upload for something you ain't gotta break your bank for, like the Walmart beauty box. OMG. So real quick, if you're unfamiliar to the Walmart beauty box, every season or quarter, Walmart sends out these $5 beauty boxes that includes your shipping, okay, for only $5. You either gonna get full-size products or samples of different products that they're gonna be showcasing for that particular season or that particular quarter. And today, I'm gonna share with you all what I received. So, opening it. I am so excited. I am so excited. Don't mind me. I get excited at saving money. I really do. So anyway, I got it open. First thing about the box is this, this beauty bag. It has a little beauty bag in there. And when I opened the beauty bag, what's inside of it? Okay, we got some samples up in here. We got some samples. So we got a beauty bag. It looks like it has a Walmart emblem on it. You know, Walmart. And then we have some, collagen, peptide, some protein powders. Ooh, something fell. I'm going to get to it. We got some protein powder. And we have a charcoal face mask. So we have these two coming up first out of the box. What fell is this paper that always explains about the beauty box and my chance to enter to win a $100 gift card. So by telling them what I think of my box. So if I go on this website and fill out the survey and tell them what I thought of my box, I got a chance to win a $100 gift card. Who wouldn't want to do that? I know I do. Anyway, and they gave me a full size of this big sensitive shaver, and it helps to protect the skin from nicks and cuts. That looks like this right here. Alright, I got that. Another full-size product of Blistex Conditioning Lip Serum. 1 drop, deeply conditions nutrient-rich oils and vitamin E. That looks like this right here. So excited. Got that. Another this ain't a full size. Whoops. This is I think this is a full size. These are rescue shots by Pantene. So this goes on your hair. Okay, what is this right here? For treatment targets, helps to prevent split ends. Okay, intensive care. This is a full size version of the product. Got that right there. Oh, another full size product. Okay, this is, this is Rock. And this is the retinol eye cream, which visibly reduces wrinkles around the eyes, dark circles, and puffiness. Okay, if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll, you know anything that is anti-aging, promising to turn back the hands of times, remove wrinkles, puffiness, or circles. You know my fingertips be all over it, and Rock is a trusted brand. So I'm real excited about this one right here. Another full-size product, some mascara by Maybelline in Very Black, love this mascara. I really do love this mascara. I'm so happy to have that mascara. Here's a dry shampoo. I can use this for my wigs probably. This is some dry shampoo. And then the rest that's in here is some more samples of Nivea. A sample of Nivea. A nose strip sample. That looks like that right there. Nose strip sample. And just some papers, to share with you some more information about the products. And yeah, that's about it. Now, just based off of this by itself, everything that I've shown you in this box, I've only gotten for $5. Okay, that includes my shipping. $5 gave me everything that I just showed you in this video. Doll, you know, if you would have went up in the store, this cost you way more than $5. You better cut it out. Look, click on the link down in the description box below and in the comment section. Get your subscription to the Walmart beauty box. As you just clearly see in this video, everything that I've shown you, I got a lot of full-size products, okay? The box only gonna cost you $5, including tax and shipping. $5. I kid you not. Don't sleep on the Walmart beauty box, okay? Don't sleep it, because you see what I just showed you, what I got, and I'm very happy for my $5. But on that note, dolls, this is now concluding the video, because I gotta go put these things away and put this Blistex in my purse while I'm at that. Yeah, so this pretty much concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.